Hi everyone, it's Romina, your summer CHC PAA. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you all how to navigate the Campus Groups website, since it will be a tool that we will be using a lot of for our events this year. The main things that we will be going over are how to navigate the page in your profile, registering for events and finding their locations, checking in using a QR code, and syncing Campus Groups to your UCI Google account calendar. The first thing you'll want to do is pull up the Campus Groups webpage at campusgroups.uci.edu in your web browser. You'll be prompted to log in, which you can do using your UCI Net ID information. All UCI students automatically have access to Campus Groups and authorization to use their UCI Net ID to log in. The first thing that you will see is a homepage that says Welcome to Campus Groups, as well as a panel on the top, and when you click these three buttons on the left, it will help you navigate the page. You will also see your account profile on the top right corner of the screen. If you click on the icon, you can actually view or edit your profile. When we click on Edit, you can scroll down and it has information about your name, your email, adding any type of additional contact information, changing your pronouns, and then when you scroll back to the top, you can also see you can add your professional experience, any interests, and then share your social media links that will go to your peers so they can contact you as well. Once you update your personal information or any of your profile, you want to make sure to click the Save button at the bottom of the screen. That way it updates it with any accurate information. Now we'll go ahead and take a look at some of the groups listed, such as the Campus-Wide Honors Collegium. So in order to look at the groups, all you need to do is click at the very top where it says Groups here, and you can typically just search for the name of the organization that you're interested in. For this video, we'll go ahead and pull up the CHC, and luckily for me, the CHC's page is right here. So all you need to do is click on the name, and it has things like the home, member, and events. So click on events. And this is actually a great tool because rather than having to individually look for the events, the Campus Group page and becoming a member for the page allows you to stay up to date with all the events offered throughout the year and throughout the quarters. And the great news is you actually have all already been added as members of the Campus Groups page for the CHC and the Campus Groups page for the Campus-Wide Honors Student Council. If you want to learn more about a specific event, for example, the Welcome Week Coffee Hour that is taking place in the next few weeks, you can click on it, and then once it loads, we'll just go ahead and scroll down to the details section, which is right over here past the flyer, where there's more information about what the event is, when it's taking place, how and where it'll be hosted, and actually how to RSVP. So to register for an event, all you need to do is click on this green register button, which we'll do now. And we'll wait a few seconds. But once you do, you can see here that it says you've already been registered, and it takes you to the confirmation, and there's also registration details too. So once you confirm the registration, you should actually receive that confirmation email sent to your @uci.edu email right after. If you want to see the specific location of an event, you can actually scroll down to the map where it says where, and you'll see the coordinates and the actual name and pinpoint on the physical map of where the location will be. And if you scroll down a little bit more, you'll see the written direction. So in this case, for this event, it'll be taking in the CHC locus, room number 510, 5th floor of the Science Library. When you attend the actual event, the honor staff will have you check in by using your phone camera to scan a QR code or by checking in online. It's very, very important for you to check in every time you attend an event or meeting so that you can receive credit for attending every required event that you go to, in case the hosts of the event have supplemental materials that they want to share with the participants who actually attended the events. In this case, this is the QR code that we used for the game night that took place a few weeks ago. Now, the best way to make sure that you aren't missing out on any of the events that you've registered for is by syncing your Campus Groups calendar with your UCI Google Calendar. So once you've registered for the event, all you need to do is scroll down to where you see the clock icon that has the date and time of the event. Under that, you will see the Add to Calendar button, and from there you can add it straight to your Google Calendar. Easy as that. Alright, and that's it for our basic introduction into navigating Campus Groups. Remember, if you have any questions, always feel free to hop on the CH chat, email the PAAs at honors.paa@uci.edu, or email honors@uci.edu. Thank you, everyone. I'll see you soon, and have fun at the Welcome Week Coffee Hour.